Welcome into AMCAP Home Loan, the William Branch Group Content Creation Studio, joined today by William Branch, the branch manager of the William Branch Group, and our namesake. We are so excited to come to you today with some information that many of you are probably going to need or have needed very recently. But William, I want to buy a house. I've got a realtor. I'm ready to go. I need that pre-qualification. What do I need?
All right, so it's really just a few steps of items. So first, you're going to start with your driver's license, typically your social security card. We do have a form that you could fill out that will eliminate not having to have your social in hand. But you're typically going to need most recent 30 days worth of pay stubs, most recent 2 months bank statements. We're going to need all pages. Even if that last page does not have anything on it, we need all 5 pages of those bank statements. We'll need a contact of whoever you want to use for insurance. If you need somebody to shop for insurance, if you don't have anybody that's a good carrier, we will help you look and advise you as far as, hey, we might want to shop this to try to get you a lower premium. If you're self-employed, we're going to need tax returns. Well, if you have 2 sets of tax returns as far as personal and business, we'll actually need both. If you're not a full 100% owner, if you're less than 25% owner in a business, we won't need those business returns. But if your K-1 shows that you own 25% or more, you are going to need those tax returns from that business. That's really the list of it. If you're looking to refinance, the only thing you'll need to add to it will be a mortgage statement, insurance statement, any HOAs, and then obviously a copy of your survey. In regards to a survey, if you are refinancing, just make sure that if you've added anything, you've added a fence or added a barn, make sure that those things the lender knows, because at the end of the process, if those things are reflected on your appraisal, or if they're not showing on title, that kind of stuff, a new survey could have to be requested at the very end of the process. So typical minor list, but that's what we're going to look for whenever we're doing a mortgage.
So I'm here. I'm ready to buy my house. I need a pre-qualification. You've told me what I need. I get to put those documents together. The market is super hyper competitive right now. Mm-hmm. What's the turnaround time for the William Branch Group? If I call you today, right now, it's 11 o'clock in the afternoon. I need my pre-qualification. I'll send you my documents right now. How fast will I have a pre-qualification back? Because I've got a house I need to make an offer on yesterday.
Sure. So if you're really in that sense of urgency, there's a time crunch, we can get it done in a matter of hours.
Okay.
Typically, we say same day service.
Sure. Which is more than enough. There is no real estate deal out there that's going to happen in more than the 24-hour window. Sure. If we can get it back to you same day, you can certainly get an offer in. What are some tips, just quickly, to help expedite that process? What are some, obviously getting the documents in concise and things of that nature, but are there any tricks of the trade or tips you might give to a first-time home buyer that says, man, I've never done this before, and this is a terrifying concept?
Sure. So we love working with first-time home buyers. So, our goal is to really set up your application to its fullest ability so that we can paint that yellow brick road for our underwriters and processors. We're going to ask you questions as far as how do you get paid? Do you get paid overtime? Do you get paid bonuses? All that stuff's important for us in regards to gathering that information. We're going to ask you those questions. So once we go there, have you ever had a divorce? Are you paying child support? Do you get paid through a trust? Those things are questions that we're going to ask, and working with a local expert is making sure that they ask the right questions. Absolutely. Whenever they're taking your application and going through your information, because that application is everything that we put on the application is what's going to be submitted, and you're going to have to provide that paperwork and documentation that's shown on that application.
Not all mortgage companies are created equal. The mortgage application process is a storytelling event. Sure. We have to put together your financial story and then present it to the company in a way that allows them to understand your ability to earn and ability to repay in a quality and fair manner. And so again, it is very important to do that. That's great. Great knowledge, great advice for those of you that are first-time home buyers. If you need to get in touch with us, you can go to thewilliambranchgroup.com. You can reach us here on Facebook. You can give us a call, 469-838-7926, or reach us right here. And if you have any other topics that you'd like to hear William address on these videos, please feel free to drop a comment below. In the meantime, we hope you have a wonderful day, and we look forward to seeing you again very soon.